Welcome to Well's Quick Tips and Tricks cooking channel. So now we are cooking channel chair, and it's mango season in Goa especially. It's all over, but in Goa it is special one, and it is Mankurad. So we are going to make mango juice. Just you have to cut it and then take out the pulp, add in the mixer along with the ice and blend it. So this also we are making without sugar. Now we'll add little water to this. Half of this cup. And add another cup of water. So like this, 2 cups of water. Enjoy this without sugar, sugar free.